Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Toyota Highlander trunk issues. First, always begin by checking for any physical obstructions around the trunk's latch and seal. Sometimes, a small item can prevent proper closing. Next, confirm that your trunk release button, both inside the vehicle and on the key fob, isn't stuck or damaged. Finally, ensure your vehicle's battery has sufficient charge, as low power can affect electronic trunk operations. These simple steps can often resolve common problems quickly. If basic checks don't resolve the issue, focus on the latch and lock. Apply a silicone-based lubricant to the trunk latch mechanism. This can often free up sticky components. Carefully inspect the latch for any visible damage, bent parts, or misalignment that might prevent it from engaging correctly. If your Highlander has a manual trunk release, typically located inside, try using it to see if the electronic system is the problem. These steps address common mechanical issues. For power liftgate issues, a simple reset can often work wonders. Consult your owner's manual for the specific steps to reset the power liftgate system, which usually involves a sequence of button presses. Also, locate and inspect the liftgate fuse in your vehicle's fuse box. A blown fuse can disable the system. Sometimes, manually opening and closing the trunk a few times can help recalibrate the system. These actions can restore normal power liftgate function. If your trunk isn't staying open, inspect the liftgate struts for any signs of wear, such as oil leaks or rust, which indicate they need replacement. For power liftgate problems, clean any dirt or debris from the trunk sensors, as they can interfere with operation. Finally, ensure all wiring connections leading to the trunk and its components are secure and free from corrosion. These checks can pinpoint issues with support and electronic communication.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.